If you are a student, you can now get access to Google's powerful AI tools free of cost for entire year. Yes, you heard it right. Google is offering an amazing Gemini student plan at no cost for 1 year for all the students out here. And with this plan, you can get access to powerful features that can completely change the way you think and study. You can upload your class notes, PDF assignments, study materials, and ask Gemini to understand everything like a baby. Most important thing is here you can generate images, videos at no cost. So how to apply for this opportunity will cover everything in detail. And if you're not a student, you can still claim Gemini Pro free of cost using the Geo plan. How to do it? I've shared the video link in the description. Watch it and apply for it. Now coming over here for Gemini students plan over here, how you can claim it, you have to click on this claim a student plan over here. Now here are two plans. One is AI Plus and second is AI Pro. For Indian students, AI Pro is not free, and for US students, AI Pro is free. You need to just follow the same method, whether you're watching from different country also, process remains same. You have to click on get student offer over here and continue. Okay. So once you click on this option, it will redirect to you another page that is share ID. Okay. Okay, you have to continue over here. You have to select your country. All these countries are eligible. After that, you have to mention your first name or school name over here, like wherever you study. Okay, you have to mention it, your first name, last name, date of birth. And after that, email address it is asking. So let's enter the details over here and click on verify student status. After you will click on verify status, verify my account over here. Here you'll get two options, sign into your school portal. If you are using your college email, that is edu email, it won't prompt you to sign in with the share ID. You can just click on sign in over here. A new page will open mostly. Here you have to just enter that particular email with which you have a school ID, means college ID. Okay, that edu email, you have to just sign in with it and then you can claim the access over here. But some people don't have. In such case, what you have to do, you have to come back again and click on upload proof of enrollment. Most people don't have college email ID in India. And if you don't have, you can just do this step. What you have to do over here, you have to just make sure you have to share any of these documents like school ID with expiration date, class schedule, tuition receipt, and the file must be in PDF, JPG, PNG, or PDF form over here. Okay. It should contain your full name, okay, college details, college logo, which current academic year or current semester is running. It should be mentioned over there if you are sharing any other document, and the issue date within the last 90 days. Okay. So the document whichever you are sharing should not be expired one. Okay. If you are already graduated or left your college or school, then you cannot apply for this opportunity. You can just use your brother, sister, or any family member's ID card for getting this free trial. Even in previous session, we have just claimed this particular opportunity free of cost. You have to just do one thing. You have to click on add documents and upload that particular document. After that, the team will verify the document and then you'll be getting that you have been accepted for the program. So I'll show you the next part. Just click on add documents and just upload the file. After you have submitted the document, it will look like this. After that, you have to wait for the acceptance. You'll be getting a mail regarding it. Super. So once you have waited for a few minutes, you'll be getting an email also, and mostly the dashboard will update too. Here it will ask you to continue over here. You have to click on continue. And after that, you have to select the plan. Now here for US students, it's Gemini Google AI Pro over there. Okay. And here for other countries, we are getting AI Plus. So this is the confusion I'm clearing over here. You have to click on get student offer over here. After that, what you have to do, here a payment method will be asked. Okay. Now here you can use any of these methods like card, UPI, redeem code. UPI is easiest. So from there, what you have to do, like this, our dashboard will open. And then you have to click on subscribe over here. Once you click on the subscribe over here, you can see they have mentioned that you can cancel the subscription anytime on Google Play. You can delete the autopay also. I'll come to that also, how to delete the autopay. Do not worry about it. So once you have done, click on subscribe. A QR code will be shown over here. You have to just scan the QR code and just enter your PIN, and then your Google Gemini Pro will be activated. You'll be getting an email regarding it that your Pro plan is activated. Now, how to delete the autopay? It's very simple. You have to open the UPI app, whatever app you are using, like PhonePe or any app. Then you have to just search for autopay. So how to do it? Just go to your PhonePe app. Just see the search at the bottom and just search for autopay. After that, you'll find the autopay related to Google AI Pro, Google Gemini, whatever is showing related to Google, you have to click on it. Like this, the option will be shown over here. You have to click on delete autopay, confirm, enter the UPI pin, and then you'll be set over here. So this is how we claim the Google Gemini Pro, AI Plus, all things we'll cover in this video. So make sure to like the video, claim the subscription. Also, there is one more offer from Geo itself. Here you can claim it free of cost. You can watch that video also. I'll share the link in the description. Just watch it, claim it, and have a great day ahead. Thank you. Goodbye.